Hey guys, part 2 because time to do it. Part 1, it was when I was opening like this. When I go check part 1 because I was when I was opening this troll because with all the stuff. Okay, but today this time we're gonna be opening this. And I haven't opened this yet because I cannot even open it. Yeah, I cannot open it. So I really need scissors. Okay, yeah. Wait, see you guys there because my mom is calling me. Okay, I think she wasn't calling me, but okay, let's keep opening this. Okay, so I opened it right there, like right here. Okay, see this? Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, I'm actually pretty excited, but not that excited. I mean, I'm like, should I be excited or what? Okay, so I need to cut this. Okay, so I opened it, and yes, I got it pink because I was gonna get 2 of them. I was gonna get this one and the other one, it was the blue one. Okay, yes, I popped it. This is like slime. Or it is slime. Slime that farts or something. This is slime. I mean, it smells disgusting, but it looks like slime. Whoa! That does not, it's not sticky. Yay, I love it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I might do a part 3 again. I don't know why. But this time I'm going to be playing with this. I'm going to be playing with the slime.